Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Content TV. We would like really to update the information about Pi Network. I know there's some guys who have been following this project for the last 6 years, and they are willing that this project may reach to its end. And this is where we are heading, and we expect more things to happen. So I want first to greet you guys where you are. I wish you happy new year as we are moving towards to open main network. So there are a lot of things that are speculating around, but today I want to mention some of them. It's just two announcements that I will talk about. And this announcement, it was mostly for both parts that participate in Pi Network, because there are a lot of things that Pi Network, because as we know, Pi Network is an ecosystem, so there are a lot of people who are participating for this ecosystem for it to be launched and perform very well, because we already know we have the community, we have businesses, we have what. So in this announcement, that it was the announcement that was presented on X, because I got it from the X of Pi Network, and it's saying how the P community can prepare for the open mainnet. So they are trying to alert us to get prepared for the open main network, and it is very important that everyone get. It's very important that everyone get prepared for the open mainnet, because when you are not prepared, sometimes you are going to lose some of your mined Bitcoin because you did not take time to prepare yourself for the open main network. I know you guys, some of you have different challenges in your accounts. Some of them they are still tentative, others they have not verified their phone number, others they are still need to change their names, others they are still waiting for migration. So there are a lot of things that we need to settle so that we are ready for the open main network. That's why Core Team has already released this announcement so that everyone should get prepared. So, and again, what I can add is that this shows that open main network is near. It shows that open main network is on our door. I know we have been since some people did not believe, they are still saying that they might extend time, but there will be no more extension from the last. Even from if we differ from the last announcement that were given 2024, they said that there will be no more extension. So another thing I want to say, I have heard people were talking about that the headquarters of Pi Network maybe have affected by the fire of Los Angeles. But let me explain for you how the Pi Network works. Pi Network is not a physical company which sells bottles or some commodities around, that it has machines that are helping it to maybe to perform their activities. No, Pi Network is not at that extent. Pi Network is a store. Is a crowd company. I'm saying that everything is stored on the server. So, and server is on the satellite. So no matter what can happen, Pi Network cannot be affected by the fire. It's not. Though some natural calamities can affect the prices and hinder the time, but still, you see, like since the fire, Bitcoin was on 100, but since the fire, Bitcoin has turned down to 89, which means that there is too much. This natural calamities, this fire has of course, this fire has of course affected the prices of cryptocurrency, because imagine I imagine mostly people from Los Angeles are not participating in the crypto industry because some of them are running, so others they are busy buying things, basic needs instead of fighting with trading and what. So that's why I'm saying that what I can assure for the pioneers is that Pi Network is not a company that can be affected by fire because everything is stored on the server, everything is stored on the cloud, even their codes and what are stored on GitHub, and everything is integrated into blockchain. So, and blockchain is not tangible thing that can be affected by the fire. That's why pioneers should not worry about this fire, although it's a problem, but it doesn't mean that Pi Network headquarters is going to be affected or is going to affect us. So that's what I can give brief. By the way, I'm giving my condolences to people, pioneers from Los Angeles, not only pioneers but also most people generally. I give my condolences, and I think that the government is trying all the best for them to recover. And if there is a possibility, after the open main network, we can send for them something to eat. Alright, so let's deep dive into this announcement. The announcement was okay, there are three conditions. One condition is for pioneers, another condition is for merchant, another condition is for developers. There are three conditions that were given. Let me read. Pioneers, this is what pioneers should do. Pioneers should complete any migration requirement in addition to passing KYC to migrate to mainnet, and should not only complete KYC and mainnet migration themselves by also encouraging their network to migrate to the balance and engage with Pi utility. Alright, here they are saying that every pioneer should make sure that they have already completed any migration requirements in addition to passing KYC to migrate to mainnet. Let me talk about it. If you know you have any steps that is not checked, I mean from mainnet checklist, from mainnet checklist up to mainnet checklist up to 8, from 1 up to 8 they should be in green. If you have like one step and it's not in green, even if you have completed KYC, you are not going to get migration, because migration is provided when all steps are checked. That's why I'm saying that pioneers should check those steps so that they are going to know, so that they are going to receive migration, because it's very important for every pioneer to get migration before open main network, so that he's going to enjoy the because when you will not have migration, you're not going to enjoy with others. You're not going to eat your pie, your mainnet pie with others, because you have not migrated. So they are encouraging every pioneer to try to finish all requirements so that your pie coins are going to be migrated. So the next is the merchants. They are talking about the merchant. The merchant should integrate Pi and explore various ways of selling their products in local and online commerce via the Pi ecosystem. Alright, so I think here they are talking about the merchants, those ones that who will be selling commodities in terms of Pi. They should go and integrate their Pi and explore various ways of selling their product in local and online. Okay, the merchants, let me explain what they are meaning here for the merchant. You know, those applications that we are having, those applications which are in the ecosystem, those applications that were shifted to mainnet, those applications are not there. They are open source. Everybody can go and paste something there that is selling in terms of Pi, and after pasting it there, when the price comes, then you start selling. Those applications like this application called Picket Place, what you just need to do, you just need to go to Picket Place and create a profile and log in into your Picket Place. If you want to sell a house, if you want to sell whatever you want to sell, you need to just put the picture on that marketplace so that other pioneers will see that you are selling something, and when they see that you're selling something, they are going to buy it in terms of buy. So that's why they are talking about the merchants. Everybody in the country that is willing to sell something, you can sell it in terms of pi, just going to pi and upgrade it there, and everything is going to be fine. So they are trying to prepare us to be able to use those applications that are in the ecosystem so that we will be able to sell what we have to sell. Now another one is developers. Okay, they are also talking about the developers. They are saying that you should put finished touches on their apps and apply the migrated their apps into the mainnet when ready. Alright, developers have been developing a lot of applications that was supposed to work. Mostly, developers get what we call the API. So, like maybe if you have a website, maybe you said something else, you can go to the developer tab, you register, then you get the API. After getting the API, then you integrate it into your system. So I think people can understand these are the only developers. You just go in the system, you write there, you get your API, then you integrate it into your website so that you'll be you will get the business wallet first. After getting the business wallet, you are also going to get the API to use to integrate it to in terms of commerce, so that people will be buying things from your website. People will be buying things from your website in terms of P, because once you integrate the Pi app, the API of Pi network, people are going to be able to buy things from your website. They are going to things from your website using Pi network. So this was like an alarm. They were giving us an alarm how we need to get prepared, how we need to get prepared for the open main network, because this is very important. We need to get prepared, because when you are not prepared, you are not going to enjoy this. That's why I'm encouraging every pioneer, for sure, try all the best you can. Find someone to help you in one way or another. Find someone to help you. If you are not aware of something, you can even contact me. I have seen that most people from Nigeria, from all over the world, they just call me for help, and online help has been helping, because online help helps, because you even run from online help. So guys, I wanted to share this information with you, and I hope this information is so helpful. And mostly I want everybody to be ready. That's what I wanted, because you see, Pi Network is preparing pioneers, is preparing merchants, is preparing developers. So this is a very great sign that shows that we have already moved to Pi Open Mainnet. What we are remaining is just an official date that shows us when are we going to receive Pi Network is going to be launched. So most pioneers have been mining this since last 6 years, because now I've reached 6 years. We are no longer saying 5 years. I know we have passed through a lot of things, because it was very hard at first to convince people, but this time they are coming to us begging, saying that we should do this for them. And but I think this is our right time to get rewarded. What we need is to stay focused and correct every mistake that is in our account. Let me just say, there's another announcement that was given yesterday, was it on 10th, saying that they have released a tentative KYC. If you are a pioneer and you have a tentative KYC, kindly go to your Pi browser, go to KYC, then check your KYC status. After checking your KYC status, you are going to see if you are given a liveness, do it. Then if you get congratulations, you need just to update your password if it's possible, if there's a possibility that you can update your password, or wait. As long as you have already submitted the liveness, you are going to it's not going to hinder you from doing anything. I think you are going to let me say, if you have already finished the liveness, you are going to be approved as soon as possible, and you'll be ready. Then those who are already in migration, those who have been calling me for migration is for the part of core team. Nobody else can do migration. It's a part of core team. You just stay and wait. So, dear pioneers, we are on the end days, and our project has reached to its final phase, and I think we are going to enjoy together as we move forward to the open main network. So, what I can say that thank you very much. See you in the next video. But before I finish, I would like to request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because mostly people who are watching our video, our YouTube channel, are not our subscribers. So we request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which so that we can grow together. Thank you very much. May God bless you.